Hello students, today we are going to discuss about linking words which are known as conjunctions and they are most commonly used in the sentence in our daily to daily conversation sentences also we use it. Now what are linking words basically? Linking words in English are also called connective or transitional devices. They are used to combine two clauses or we can say that they are used to make a connection between clauses or two statement basically. They are used to combine or link in one sentence or two statement that are presenting contrast, comparison, condition, supposition, purpose, etc. There are main three types of linking words are there: conjunction, sentence connector, and subordinators. Now we see what are conjunctions. Conjunctions are the most common form of linking words. They are used to join two parts of a sentence together and are generally they are in the middle of the sentence, like and, but, so, or, for, nor, yet. Now we can see in the sentence, successful student work hard and they organize their time effectively. We can use it to actually they are basically two individual statement. Successful student work hard and they organize their time effectively. Now two different statements are joined with the word and to make it a single statement. So I like to go to the beach but I never go at midday. Now in this word conjunction but is used to combine the sentence. Sentence connectors. Sentence connectors are used to link ideas from one sentence to the next and to give paragraph coherence. These, when put at the beginning of two sentences, connect them in a way that relative their original meaning basically. You can say, and they are generally placed in beginning of the sentence. They are used to introduce order, contrast, sequence, ideas, theory, data, etc. Firstly, however, lastly, besides, moreover, etc. Beside not eating much, they won't ever chew on your electric cords. Now, here it is using, we can see that at the beside words, it's a sentence connectors which is combining two sentences, but it is at the beginning of the sentence. Moreover, they show you the way home when you are drunk. So, chances are there like this. Subordinators are linking words that are used to join clauses together. They are used at the middle or in the beginning of the sentence. When, so that, while, whenever, etc. Example: Sarah began to sneeze whenever she opens the window to get a breath of fresh air. So here there is chances is there whenever, jabki. When the doorbell rang, my dogs barked loudly. So here also you can see it is one is in the middle of the sentence and one subordinate is at the beginning of the sentence. There are two different sentences are shown with two different examples. Now useful linking words. Contrasting. These to show how things are different basically, and they are usually followed by comma and introduce a sentence which contrasts with the previous one. However, nevertheless, on the other hand, despite, in spite of, despite the fact, in spite of the fact, although, etc. Example: the machine is old, however, or you can use nevertheless, it should work for a few more years. So there are two different situation, you can say that. In spite of, despite its age, the machine should work for a more years. There's comparing, age is also there and that much more year is also there. The comparison, contrast is there between the two different things. Now sequencing ideas means, sequencing idea basically means the logic manner, actually you can say the logic reason where they are, where you can join them, these logic reasons where you can join them. So the former and the later are used when you want to refer a one or two points, firstly, secondly, and finally. We use such words actually to join some logical reason. And the following also we use it so that they keep on continuing: the former, the later, firstly, secondly, finally, the first point, lastly, the following. Now we can see the examples here. Marketing and finance are both covered in the course. The former is studied in the first term and the latter is studied in the final term. The first or former also, later also. So they are given two logical reason to join. The now emphasize. A stress given to a words or words when speaking to indicate particular second. To actually, it means to put forward a point or idea more forcefully actually, specially, particularly, naturally, above all, whatever, whenever, to, enough. Actually, these are the words basically. So, I enjoy traveling, especially to very different places. So, he is saying that actually he is using such to emphasize it. I will bring you back here whenever you want it. So, he is emphasizing on the word whenever. जब भी तुम चाहो, I can bring you back. Now, adding means in addition. So here you can see some words. The following expression introduce further information which extend or argument. An argument matlab we are adding something to it. Beside introducing a stronger argument, moreover, furthermore, what is more, in addition, not only, etc. So, the city is famous shopping center. Moreover, it is well known for its art gallery and museum. So here it is telling about it that although it's a very famous shopping center, but उससे ज़्यादा वो अपनी art gallery and museum के लिए ही knows it. So furthermore, people can enjoy its long beaches. कि जब तक furthermore in the furthermore stage actually. And now examples. A new sentence with an example is introduced by either. For incidents such as illustration in the case, etc. So these are the some words of the examples. The pen knife has different uses such as removing stones from horses' hooves. Now the word focusing. We want we often want to focus a conversation on something we think is important, like in terms of, in relations to, regarding, as far as is concerned. So in terms of, in relation to, regarding its effect on employ, morale, you don't need to worry. So among the three we can use it. Any word we can use it. Generally to focus the basic conversation which is going on. As far as effect and employee morale is concerned, you don't need to worry. So here also it is using basically on to focus. Summarizing basically to means to conclude. It means to conclude something. Summarize here, it means that. So here you can see that to summing up, all in all, overall, in short, in conclusion, in brief, in general, in the main, on the whole, broadly speaking, to conclude, that is the summarizing one. Summarize, that is. To conclude, to in brief, you can say, you can use this word also, to sum up what has been previously started. In conclusion, in short, it is important to spread the news about the medical discovery. So, in conclusion also, matlab in the end, or yeah, in short. On the whole, broadly speaking, she had a very happy childhood. So, when we are concluding a sentence, we are summarizing, we give different words to it. Giving a reason basically. Now, giving a logical reason due to, owning to. We use such words due to, owning to, for the reason, to provide reason for what has been stated or has occurred generally. So, due to the rise in oil prices, the inflation rate rose up 1.25%. So, it means due to something which has occurred actually. So, rise in oil prices has occurred. So, the fact of that thing is happening. Owing to the fact that the workers have gone on strike, the company has been unable to fulfill the order. So, it is basically owing to the fact that, so here also there is a reason for what something has happened. Then here it is showing the reason basically. So, what has been stated. So, here we have used the word owing to the fact. And because of bad weather, the football match was postponed. So, here also is giving a reason why this match has been postponed, because of the bad weather. So, here we use such words. Now, some exercises there so that you can practice it and fill in the blank with appropriate linking words. She was dash unable to attend the meeting. Now, among the two, you have to write and you insert any one which you think it's suitable here. Dash, we are satisfied with your performance in general or as well as. I'm not quite sure what time I will arrive. Maybe 8:30 or 8:45. I will be there before 9 o'clock. Now, among the two, you have to insert any one. It is a small house and requires a lot of repairs. It is a long way from the center. Everybody had heard of Einstein. Hardly anyone could understand his theory of relativity, and but you have to choose among the two. He was always popular with women and even got married twice. The women closest to him were invariably unhappy. Now, certainly, yeah, all the same. So, practice these exercises. The more you practice, the more you learn better, actually. Thank you, and you can refer to your notes also. Thank you.